Thank you for having me. I'm very grateful to be here. Yeah, my name is Daniel Zion Inia. I'm from Akwa State. I stay in Lagos, outskirts of Lagos, around Songo. I'm an artist, a music artist, an actor, a model, an entertainer. I do comedy just for a living. My stage name is Kvng Rubick. Wow, what inspired me to start my music career was not to fight poverty. I don't want to be broke. So that really inspired me to start music. I got my major inspiration to be a musician from listening to Michael Jackson when I was 8 years old, seeing a kid compete with the likes of Lionel Richie and the rest, and still became one of the greatest. So that was where I really got my inspiration from. Professionally, I've been doing music professionally for 2 years. I've been working on myself because it's my passion. So professionally, getting into the studio 2 years. Yeah, my sound is completely abstract. It's off the book. I believe I can fusion into any genre, any sound. I can mix with anybody. So my music is not simple. It's not something that somebody can easily write. It's a very, very difficult thing to do. I'm an EDM artist, electronic dance artist, a pop artist, and a rapper also. Okay, this is Nigeria. The major challenge I've faced is finance. It's expensive to run music. So many of my friends have forgotten about music. In fact, many of them prefer skits than doing music because it's expensive to run music. So the major challenge I have is finances. So the only way I've been keeping myself into it is having a normal job, a 9 to 5, working hard, and keeping my passion on the line. Meaning, I wake up every day, practice, write new songs each and every day to keep my brain fresh. Like I said, I will start with Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson is my first role model while growing up. Then it became Biggie. That's for rap. Started listening to Biggie Smalls, with Tupac, Nas. Then when I became matured, I fell in love with Kvng. Kvng was one of the person that really said, "Guy, you can be an artist. If Kvng can be singing all this, why won't you be able to sing it?" So those are my best artists. My most defining moment in my career is now becoming a member and artist of Elegant Empire Music. It has really been a great challenge for me because I've been recording myself. I've not really had an opportunity to get into the industry. So having this opportunity really shaped my future for me. So this is my number one defining moment as far as my career is concerned. Wow, that's been something else. A 9 to 5 and a music career. It's been hectic, but we thank God. I won't say there's a schedule to it. You just have to break the rules, bend it till it all works out. We'll see on it. Wow, I'm dropping an EP between August and September. Hopefully it will be ready. So after that, I will have the name of my EP is going to be called Rough Work because it's one of my first bring together of different songs, at least 9 songs minimum. So the work has to do with my lyrics, the work I put into writing the lyrics, then the presentation and the delivery. That is where it makes it a rough work because it's my first delivery. So it's this first delivery that will now make the second one perfect. So this is a rough work. It's coming out very soon. If you're an upcoming artist, the greatest advice I can give you is don't give up. That's one of the things my EP is talking about. Do not give up. Yes, I was passionate about music. We are all passionate about music. But if you look at the financial part of it, you want to man, I need to go and hustle and forget about music. But while you are hustling, still keep your pen and your paper, keep writing, keep memorizing your songs. You never can tell. That hit song might be tomorrow. So if you stop today, how would you get that hit song? So you just have to keep writing. So my advice to everyone out there, do not give up. You never can tell what's going on in my brain. You can reach me on Facebook. My name is Nya Daniel, Nya Daniel on Facebook. Then on TikTok is Zion Nya Daniel. That is ZionNyaDaniel. No space. Then on Instagram it's Zion8050.
All right. Thank you very much, Kvng Rubick, for coming to the studio today.
All right, thank you very much.
See you on the top.